Ford's new Bronco lineup encompasses everything from basic street trucks to the high-performance Raptor and off-road-focused Badlands. But some buyers always want more. Specifically, more axles. And once again, Apocalypse Manufacturing has delivered. The Florida-based shop is famous for 3-axle mutants like the Hellfire, Doomsday, Sinister 6 and Warlord, machines that most definitely have the hardware and visual punch to back up those ridiculous names. But now it's turned its attention to the Ford Bronco. The company dropped front and rear images of a 6x6 Bronco on social media, revealing nothing in the way of spec, but did assure both its fans and our editor that the truck in the pictures was real, and not a rendering, and that it delivers its power to all 6 wheels. And to prove it, they also sent us a couple of videos of the build on the road shot while filming a promo. As to how much power Apocalypse Manufacturing's boss Joseph Gottas is talking about, we don't yet know. The company offers multiple engine options with its usual Jeep-based machines, and it's likely that Bronco buyers would be able to have a Ford truck built to their spec. Unlike some of Apocalypse's other creations, which feature Kevlar bodywork, this one looks almost stock. But even considering the markups some dealers have been applying to regular Broncos, this one is going to cost you considerable more. We don't have exact pricing yet, but the company's website claims its entry-level Hellfire costs $155,000, while the Warlord range topper will set you back $250,000.